Hey guys, I am just heading on home. It really looks like it's gonna storm, but I'm trying to walk like I'm like a mile away from home. But I'm like across from the river. The river is right next to me. But yeah, I live next to Walmart, like a mile away from Walmart. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just heading home. Like a mile away from the mall, and it looks like it's gonna rain, but it's not raining. There's no thunderstorms on the radar. I'm pretty sure of it, but it looks like it was. I wasn't sure that it was supposed to, but it was cloudy, very cloudy. My favorite place to go is to the mall. I love to go to the mall, but not all the time. You know how it is. And I saw some people I haven't seen in a while. Well, I think her name's Hannah. I think Hannah. I can't subscribe. I think her name's Hannah. But yeah. Hannah. Yeah, it's Hannah. So, regarding the fact that, I saw Hannah and I haven't seen her in like a very long time. She's a good person, but never talks to me on Facebook. Stay away from Facebook. Facebook is the evil one. You know how you know how things goes. Things go like that all the time. It's kind of hard to explain. Plus, yeah, so. Anyways, I'm heading home to have dinner with my family, but, I have no idea what we're having tonight. Plus one other thing. I'm getting my hair dyed black again. Right now, it looks like it's reddish pinkish, I'm pretty sure. I put some pink in there, and the red is overlapping it, but I think I like it. But I'm dyeing it black soon. And the other thing, I saw a couple other people at the mall that I haven't seen in a while. I can't remember her name, but I used to see her all the time. All the time, doesn't matter. All the time. I think her name is Presley. I think that's it. It's Presley. Presley is pretty cool. Like, I haven't seen her in a long time, but that's her name. She's awesome. She's awesome. Yeah, awesome. So yeah. Yep. It is awesome. Yeah. I might have to call my parents. Or, yeah, I think so. I might have to call them, but anyways, I think it's gonna rain. I just don't know if it is gonna rain. Someone said it was raining in Rockledge or Orlando, but That's the reason I'm heading home right now. Plus, it's sprinkling. It is not bad. It's overcast. It looks nice. It's just, it's not stormy. And if you are a fan of mine, and well, if you don't have me on social media, stop feeding behind the bush and follow me, or add me on YouTube, or follow me on YouTube, or let's see you guys. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Love ya.